Welcome to Soft Science Stories. Tonight's title, The Night the Moon Watched Over You. On this quiet night, there is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to become, nothing you need to solve. You are exactly where you are meant to be. Above you, the moon has risen, calm, steady, and patient. It hangs in the sky without effort, glowing softly, as if it has all the time in the world. Tonight, the moon has chosen to watch over you. You might imagine yourself lying comfortably, wrapped in warmth. The air around you is gentle, neither too cool nor too warm. Each breath comes and goes on its own, unhurried, natural. The moon notices your breathing. It rises slightly as you inhale and settles gently as you exhale. Nothing needs to change. Somewhere nearby, the world is growing quiet. The day has finished speaking. Shops have closed, lights have dimmed, and distant sounds are fading into the background. Even your thoughts are beginning to slow. The moon has seen countless nights like this, nights where worries soften, where busy minds grow tired, where rest arrives without being forced. It knows that sleep cannot be rushed, so it does not hurry you. Instead, the moon simply stays. Its light moves slowly across the landscape, touching rooftops, trees, and quiet streets. Everything it touches becomes softer, calmer, as if the moon is reminding the world to rest. You may notice your shoulders loosening now, your jaw relaxing, your forehead smoothing. The moon sees this and glows just a little warmer. In the distance, there is a gentle rhythm, perhaps the sound of wind moving through leaves or the quiet hum of night itself. It does not ask for attention. It is simply there, steady and reassuring. Time feels different now. There is no pressure from tomorrow, no pull from yesterday. Only this moment. The moon has watched over travelers finding their way home. It has watched over oceans breathing in and out. It has watched over children drifting into dreams. And tonight, it watches over you. If a thought wanders in, that is okay. The moon does not push it away. It lets the thought float by, like a cloud crossing the sky, moving gently until it disappears on its own. You don't have to follow it. Your body already knows how to rest. It has done this many times before. All you need to do is allow it. With each breath out, imagine your body becoming heavier, more settled, as if you are being gently held by the night. The moon remains above, constant and calm. There is a feeling of safety here, the kind that does not need explanation, the kind that comes from knowing nothing is expected of you. Somewhere, the stars blink softly, keeping their distance, letting the moon take the lead. They understand this is a quiet night, a night for stillness, a night for rest. The moon's light grows softer now, dimming just enough to signal that it is okay to let go, okay to drift, okay to sleep. Your breathing slows even more, in and out. Longer pauses appear between each breath, like spaces of silence where the mind can finally rest. The moon will stay as long as needed. It does not leave when sleep arrives. It remains, quietly guarding the night. And as sleep begins to take you, slowly, naturally, the world fades into a gentle darkness, peaceful and safe. You do not need to listen anymore. You do not need to imagine. The moon is watching over you now, and you are free to sleep.